Hey you guys, this is Nico Moreno here, and in this short little training video, what we're going to do is we're going to cover how to embed your ManyChat chatbot, your messenger bot, into a ClickFunnels landing page. So if you use ClickFunnels as your landing page builder, then you definitely want to listen up. Now, there's a lot of different ways to actually go about this. I'm just going to cover two because these are the two most popular, and I think they're the two easiest, and they're also the most aesthetically pleasing when you're looking at your ClickFunnels landing page. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover the first one right now. It's called a ref URL. And then the second one, I'll let you know when we switch over to that. But they're both pretty simple. So the first one that we're going to cover is called ref URL. So let's head into our ManyChat account. So first thing is to just make sure you're signed into your ManyChat account and then go down to growth tools. And you're going to see a list of all your growth tools. And you're going to select, when you create new growth tool, I can't do it because you only have, the option to do 4. And I don't have a pro account because no need right now. But what you want to do is you want to make sure that you've selected ref URL as the type. And it's a type of a growth tool. So what you do is you grab that one, you select that, and then you're going to have these opt-in actions here. And once you're done actually like building that, that growth tool, then all you do is you click setup and it literally just gives you a URL. And when people click that URL, what happens is they automatically get subscribed to your messenger bot. It'll open up in Facebook and your messenger bot will automatically start messaging them like with your welcome message and things like that. So it's really, really simple. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys a quick example of just how to, put this into like ClickFunnels. So here's a quick example. Basically what you would do is you would just create a quick button on ClickFunnels. And what you do here is, okay, so this button's already set as opening the pop-up. You just paste this URL right here into the go to website URL for the button, and that's it. You can have it open in the same window or new tab, new window, whatever you want. And literally that's it. It's pretty simple. And I like this way a little bit better because it's a lot more flexible. You can also paste this, you can embed this link into text. It works just like any other hyperlink, or it works just like any other link. So you can hyperlink it and add your link right here. Same with like emails, or if you want to embed your messenger bot into an email, or if you want to do it on your website, or really whatever it is, like in a Facebook post even. Wherever it is, it works the same as a regular link, and you can just copy and paste that and you're good to go. So that's the first way to go about that, and it's super easy. Takes literally just a couple seconds and you're good to go. Now this next option here it's called a button. That's the type of growth tool that we're going to be building and embedding into ClickFunnels. And this is what it looks like when you're all finished. Okay, so you've probably seen these on a couple websites. And yeah, this is the one that we're going to be building right now. Super simple, but does require a little bit more copy and pasting. So what we're going to do is go back over to ManyChat and go ahead and click on this. So this is a button. So what you want to do when you're creating a new growth tool, if you don't already have one set up, you just want to make sure that the type is selected as button. A box is going to kind of look more like an opt-in box, but just select button. And then there's a little bit more setup for this. It's going to walk you through everything step by step. And then when you're done, how you set it up is there's 2 steps. Okay, so the first step is you install this Java Javascript snippet into your website. Now the first thing that you have to do before you can do that is you have to authorize your website. So if you're going to be embedding this onto like a domain or something like that you own, then you're going to need to type that in here. And this is basically just you telling ManyChat, hey ManyChat, it's okay for the widget to be used on this domain. So I've already done that, but go ahead and copy and paste yours, just paste your website into here and then click add. Then the next step is it's going to give you this code right here. And all you need to do is just place this into the header page of every page of your website. So with ClickFunnels, there's a really easy way to do that. We're going to copy and paste. So once you have that, really, really easy to do that by going to the overall, like the settings tab when you're back on this home page here. So click on settings, And then you're going to find this section right here that says head tracking code. So if you use a Facebook ad pixel or anything like that, you might already have some code in here. It might be completely blank. Whatever it looks like is totally fine. Just make sure that if you do have other code in there already, don't touch it. Don't modify it, or make sure that the ManyChat code goes in its own little separate spot. So I've already got mine there, but if you don't have it there, then go ahead and copy and paste. And then all you have to do is do save and update settings. And then this header code, the code that you paste in there, is gonna appear, or it's gonna automatically be input into, funnel wide. So every single funnel step right here is automatically gonna get that. And that's like what's required by ManyChat. So you're all good to go with that step. Now, step number 2 is to embed your widget. So this is like actually where you want to see this like on your ClickFunnels page. That's where step number 2 comes in. So what you do is you just copy this code that they give you. And in order to get it to look like this, what are we going to do? We're going to go over to our webinar registration page, or whatever page you want to embed that little button into. And then click Edit Page. And then all you do is so let's see, I have mine in the pop-up. So yeah, all you do is you add a little custom JavaScript HTML. I'll delete that and start from. So all you do is you add in a custom JS HTML element. That's what it's called in ClickFunnels. And it's all the way down at the bottom. So you just grab that, drop it here, and then you open the code editor and you just paste that little line of code, and then you're good to go. So then we're going to click Save, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I just did that. And that's it. So literally when someone clicks this button, they're going to automatically be subscribed to your messenger bot, and then that's when it's going to start sending them messages. So yeah, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this. I hope this helped solve your problem. Because yeah, it's really, really simple. You don't have to be super technical at all to do this, but this method does require a little bit more copy and pasting of code, whereas the first method, it's literally just a URL. So, all right, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys soon.